Rocky, Sarah is off tonight. You may recognize fentanyl strips, or you've seen Narcan vending machines in the community. They're leading efforts in drug overdose prevention, but it takes time, money, and policy to implement efforts like those. And our Maddie Heimsch shows us why committee members and advocates are looking to bring another initiative called drug checking to Dane County.
Drug checking is a way for us to know what is in the drug supply before we are finding out from our coroner.
With federal opioid settlement funds and potential grant money, Dane County could invest in drug checking as an overdose prevention strategy. But what exactly is it?
So if someone buys a pill, you could test it for fentanyl to see if fentanyl's in there. But that tells you positive or negative, but no other information.
Drug checking would supply that other information.
The smallest amount of any substance, like just residue that's like on a bag or a pill or whatever it is, right, can be brought into the drug checking location.
Drug checking labs could comprehensively show users what's in the substances they're getting.
And then that information goes into a database that can be then shared out with the entire community.
And then that can help the broader community to understand what's going on.
Like Narcan and fentanyl strips, it's a step in overdose prevention that's not just abstinence.
There's never just one way for anybody to get sober.
Jocelyn Campbell knows the importance of those steps firsthand. Campbell used for 30 years and has now been sober for 2.5.
That's how I got sober, was, just slowly stop using something or, use something else that's less harmful.
She says it's important to invest in methods that both help people stop using and make using safer for people who aren't ready to quit.
This is yet one more tool that can be really helpful for people in reducing their risk, hopefully reducing risk of death, and one more tool to give people more information so they can make the safest choices for themselves.
Reporting in Madison, Maddie Heimsch, News 3 Now.